Hi guys, this is Wooly. Today I am going to show you guys how to set up a WordPress website or blog with SiteGround as a web hosting provider. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Alright, let's go to a web browser. Type SiteGround.com. If you never have an account with them before, just click View Plans. They have 3 plans. There are Startup, Grow Big, and Go Geek. But it looks like the best seller is Grow Big. It has on-demand backup copies with 30% faster PHP plus staging. It can handle about 100,000 visits monthly. It also has 20 gigabytes web space with unlimited websites, so I'm gonna go with this plan. But it's up to you though, it's your plan. Once you decided which plan you're gonna get, just click the button called Get Plan. Next, you'll be redirected to this page to choose your domain. You can register your new domain name or a website name with SiteGround right here, but it will cost you about $17.99 a year. But if you already have your website registered with somebody else elsewhere, you can add it over here with the second option and then just click the proceed button to go to the next step to pay for your web hosting plan. Once you are done with all the transaction, you will be able to get some account credentials to log into SiteGround to go to your website dashboard. Alright, let's assume you already got all the credentials from SiteGround in your mailbox, so let's log in. Click Log In on top of the page. Enter your username or email address in this box and click Next, and then enter your password. Don't forget to check the Stay Logged In. Once done, just click the Login button. It shouldn't take that long to see your dashboard on SiteGround. This is the dashboard of your SiteGround account. Let's click the website's link or tab on top of the page. And you should be able to see a list of all your websites right here. In this video, we are going to use DoodlingDemoStore.com right here. And you should be able to see another button that is called Site Tools to manage the website with a lot of features that come with your plan. Let's click that button. It shouldn't take that long to go inside your website section or dashboard. And let's go to WordPress. Click WordPress. And then click Install and Manage. There are 2 options here. You should be able to install officially a WordPress blog, which is the first section. Or the second option is that you can install WordPress with WooCommerce to sell things online. In this case, you could pick either one because you can add or remove all the plugins later on. I'm gonna select to install WordPress and WooCommerce in this tutorial. Next, you need to enter the information for the application setup right here. Leave the information in the top 3 boxes as default. Enter your username right here in this box. I just use my email address so I remember it better. And then enter your password right here. Next, enter your email address in this box or field. And the last one for the add-ons that SiteGround will install for you. It is their plugin. It's a WordPress starter. Just keep it checked or unchecked. It's up to you. And then click the install button once everything looks good. This step might take a little bit longer. There it is! Our WordPress is installed on the DoodlingDemoStore.com. There are 2 buttons right here. to see the admin panel or to view the site. But let's click admin panel. Let's see how your admin dashboard will look like. This is the WordPress starter plugin. As of right now, just click the exit link right here to get out of that plugin. We will continue some other tutorials how to set up a blog or some other stuff later on in the future. And you can either click the view sites right there or go to the corner, hover over my WordPress right there to see the front end of your website. And this is the website that we just installed. It is a very minimal theme that the WordPress gives it to you as a default setting. It is called Storefront Theme by Automatic. There are no products added to this theme yet, and there's no content added to those sample pages either. Alright, that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you guys have a wonderful day wherever you are. I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.